Hey Iris, how you getting on with your website?
Which one?
You know, the one that you're working on.
Oh, you mean this one? I should be done by tonight.
Oh, no, not that one. You know, the one with all the codes and snippets everywhere?
I'm working on that website. It's going to take about a week to get it sorted.
Are you sure about that? Because I thought there was just one task.
I got a list of 20 tasks.
20! Oh, hold on. I think they're Iris's tasks. There's no way you can be finishing tonight.
I didn't know about them, and I'll be away anyway for the next 4 days.
Does this mean I don't have 20 tasks?
Does anyone know where Chris is?
Hey, what's up everyone? Man, I'm having problems with my phone. Email password keeps resetting.
Looks like we've had a mix-up with the tasks and projects and who's doing what.
That's not my fault.
Hold on, does this mean I don't have 20 tasks?
We are so... We need a new solution.
How about getting all of our emails into one place and then allocating them to the right projects?
And we need to keep on top of what needs to be done for each project.
Especially if anything is urgent.
It'd be cool if the client can directly tell us about their requests.
And for us to easily let them know too.
As long as we can assign tasks to the right people, we'll be fine.
I think we're going to be more than fine. Hey, how is everyone?
All good.
It's going well.
Excellent. Where's Chris?
Hey everyone. Man, I'm having problems with my phone again.